Hey family, welcome to my YouTube channel and I'm back with another interesting video. Please click on the subscribe button if you are new and also on the notification bell to be notified once I upload a new video. If you are a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. In today's video, I share a DIY hair spray for hair damage and hair loss. This treatment strengthens your hair, it treats dandruff, it promotes hair growth, leaving your hair more beautiful. Going natural is the best way to nourish your hair. To begin, grab your leaves. This is guava leaf. This leaf contains vitamin B and vitamin C that can help nourish the follicles and aid hair growth. It also contains antioxidants that helps prevent hair damage. Wash the leaves very well. This is to remove all the dirt and then place it into a pot. Moving on to our next ingredient is bay leaf. Bay leaves helps to control hair fall. It helps to get rid of hair lice. It treats dandruff. It treats itchy scalp. It helps to regrow hair. It reduces scalp inflammation. It can be used as a natural conditioner. Add some quantity of water and boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow to cool. Then go ahead and sieve out your hairspray with a sieve or a cheesecloth. Go ahead and transfer your hairspray into your spray bottle or your applicator bottle and your hairspray is ready for use. Moving on to the next section is how to apply this hair growth spray onto your hair. Divide your hair into different sections if you are not on braid so you can easily work your way through. If you are on protective hairstyle, go ahead and spray the juice on your hair, making sure it gets to the root and tips of your hair. Saturate your hair with this spray, then go ahead and massage your scalp for 10 minutes. Massaging your scalp helps to increase hair growth by promoting blood circulation. It also increases hair thickness. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. If you have any question, I'm in the comment section.